If you've heard the Volt chirp when you plugged it in, or the electronic sound when you first turned it on, you know you're dealing with a whole new world of sounds in your driving experience. It's something you'll quickly understand. Most of us are accustomed to engine hum, driveline noises, and other sounds common to ordinary gasoline-powered vehicles. But Volt is so quiet that sounds normally drowned out by road and driveline noise can sometimes be heard while driving. For example, the gasoline-powered generator will not have a normal starter sound when energizing, but it is noticeable. The generator runs at a fairly constant rate, and that rate doesn't directly change with increased or decreased throttle, although engine sounds will increase in certain conditions, such as when the vehicle is under load in mountain mode. The charging and cooling systems may run fans and pumps that result in sounds from the vehicle, even when it is turned off. Additional unexpected clicking sounds may be experienced caused by the electrical devices used while charging. In extreme climates, when Volt is turned on, the engine may start to provide energy for heating and cooling independent of the vehicle being plugged in or completely charged. There are some circumstances or conditions that may also cause the engine to start, including a low propulsion battery charge, hot or cold propulsion battery temperatures, cold ambient temperatures for windshield defrosting, the hood being open or not completely closed and latched, certain fault conditions, running engine or fuel maintenance modes, and also the engine may run after adding fuel to a vehicle that had run out of fuel.